Ji. Welcome to the online class of Sri Ram Public School. So, last few days we are talking about this chapter 16 and the name of this chapter is our history. Some of students have doubt that what is civilizations. So, in this video, I am making for you. At first, you have to know that this history is divided into three parts. One is known as ancient, and then is medieval, and after that it is modern. Okay? In ancient part means it started from there when the people used to live in the forest and they don't have any shelter. They used to eat some raw fruits, raw meats also. They used to live in the cave. They don't know the settlement and all. So this part is started from them, and after that when they being developed, and on the 2500 BCE, 2500 BCE. What is BCE? I already discussed it in the previous class that BCE matlab anything, whatever it has happened before the birthday of the Jesus Christ, that is known as BCE. BCE means that before Christ, and whatever is happened after the birth of the Jesus Christ, that is known as AD. AD means Anno Domini. So 2500 BCE means that the birthday of the Jesus, before the birthday of the Jesus Christ. So in that time, one civilization occurred. Civilization means sabhyata. So one civilization occurred. What I have told that very long year ago we used to live in a forest. We collect fruits. We used to hunted that, and we hunted the wild animal, and we used to take raw vegetables, raw meats also. That time, from then after that they became civilized, and that time this Indus Valley civilization occurred. Why this civilization called Indus Valley civilization? Because that civilization occurred in the bank of the Indus. In the bank of the Indus, this civilization occurred. That's why this civilization is known as Indus Valley civilization. And this civilization was the urban civilization. It is not the rural. Rural means or urban means, what is the urban? मतलब यहाँ का जो लोग रहते थे वहाँ का लाइफस्टाइल था शहर में जो जैसे लोग रहते हैं उसी तरह. तो that civilization was known as urban civilization, and that civilization was so developed. How we know all these things? हम लोग को कैसे पता चला उस civilization के बारे में? और know all this information from the historians. They collect some evidence. They collect some evidence of that time. That's why we know all these things. People used the great bath. We got a great bath in the Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro means Mohenjo-daro is another side of the Indus Valley civilization. There are many sites. Among them, Mohenjo-daro was one of the site of the Indus Valley civilization. Have you watched that movie, that Mohenjo-daro? If you don't, then I'm suggesting you that you should watch this movie Mohenjo-daro, that Hrithik Roshan wala. If you watch that movie, that cinema, you can understand that how people lived that time. That time means in that Indus Valley civilizations. Okay. After that, the Aryan came to the India, and what happened then? They came to the India and started living here. Means settlement started, and they used to grow crops, and they wrote a book that is known as Vedas, which is a very important book, and they wrote so many epics also. Okay, that's why these Aryans age is also known as Vedic age. So we already discussed all these things. But if you have any doubt, you can freely to ask me. Okay, then let's come to the next point. Today's topic is Mahajanapadas. It is very easy topic. In this topic you have to remember 16 Mahajanapadas. Now the question is, what was the Mahajanapadas? Mahajanapadas means actually it is a number of kingdoms. Okay, after the Aryan came to the India, they built some small groups, and sometimes that small groups gain some power, and they make Janapadas. That Janapadas gain more power, then that Janapadas became the Mahajanapadas. Okay, so in one line we can say that Mahajanapadas is it's like a kingdoms, and sometimes the number of kingdoms emerge. These number of kingdoms means this 16 Mahajanapadas. 16 Mahajanapadas emerge the Indo-Gangetic place and the southern part of India, means southern India. And this point is so important that you have to remember only these 16 Mahajanapadas names. Names are Angad, Magad, Vaiji, Malla, Kashi, Koshala, Vatsa, Chedi, Kuru, Panchal, Surasena, Matsya, Avanti, Asmaka, Gandhar and Kamboj. So these 16 Mahapadas name you have to remember, and then Magadha was one of the powerful kingdom. Among these 16 Mahajanapadas name, Magadha was the powerful one. Okay, so this topic is very easy. You have to remember already these 16 Mahajanapadas name, and if I asked you that what is Mahajanapadas, then just always remember this. Mahajanapadas is nothing but a kingdoms. Okay, after that we'll meet tomorrow again.